Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Welcome to Daryeelkitchen, home to delicious food made simple. Today we are going to make chocolate marble cake. This cake is very easy and very scrumptious. You need few basic ingredients. Now let me show you the ingredients that we need. We need some eggs. You want to make sure your eggs are always at room temperature. I'll be using 4 eggs, sugar, plain flour, some oil, plain yogurt, some baking powder, vanilla, chocolate powder, and a pinch of salt. You need a bundt cake tin, also known as fluted cake tin. Brush the tin with butter and coat with flour. Tap the tin on the kitchen counter so that excess flour can come off and then set aside. Now let's start making our cake. Using a large bowl, place the eggs in the bowl, then add the sugar. Once you add the sugar, you want to beat this with a handheld mixer for about 5 to 7 minutes or until doubled in size and it looks pale in color. This can take quite time, but it will ensure once you do this that your cake will be nice and airy and very spongy. We have now reached the ribbon consistency. As you can see, you can make some ribbons with the eggs. And that shows that your eggs are done. So now we will add the rest of our ingredients step by step. So first we'll add our vanilla extract, and this will just give your cake more flavor. Okay, and next we will add some oil. So we're almost there. So now we're going to add our yogurt, and I'm just gonna get a spatula so that I can add all the yogurt in there. Once you've done that, you want to give everything a quick mix again. And then we'll add our dry ingredients. We have our pinch of salt, the baking powder, and our plain flour. You can mix everything together before adding in the bowl, but that's fine. But also make sure you do this in stages. If you put everything in one go, it's just gonna be a mess. Do this slowly. The thing about using a handheld mixer, it's great, very quick to use, but once you add the flour, you can overmix by using the mixer. So it's best to fold the flour by using a spatula slowly, and that way your cake will not be tough. So now it's time to add our cake batter into our prepared tin. So we're just gonna add half of the butter in there. Great, so once we've done that, the rest we will be adding our chocolate. And now it's time to add our chocolate powder into the bowl. Make sure the chocolate is sifted. Once you've done that, you want to mix everything together using a spatula. You can make this cake more special by using a white chocolate and a dark chocolate as well, and just melt that in the microwave. If you guys want to see another recipe or another version of this cake, let me know. And now you want to add a few dollops of the chocolate in there. Once you add all the chocolate dollops in there, after that we're going to make the swirl effect. So what you want to do is, using the back of a spoon or a skewer, make a swirl starting from the bottom of the cake all the way, and do this twice Try not to overdo it or you will lose the marble effect. Take it out of the oven, and then you want to place a skewer in the middle part of the cake, and that will show you if the cake is done. As you can see, there's nothing on, that means the cake is done. You're gonna let this cake rest now for about 10 minutes or so, and this one will just enable you to take the cake out of the tin very easily. And that's our cake done, and now you can see how beautiful golden it is. It's nice and soft. It's just one of the most delicious cakes, and you only need few basic ingredients. Try to make this cake for your friends and family, and I'm sure they will enjoy. If you have guests coming over, you don't need to panic. Once you know they're coming over, just go in the kitchen and do this cake for them. It's very easy, does not take a lot. You only need 10 minutes to prepare everything together, about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, and by the time your guests are coming, your cake is done. All you have to do is prepare your cup of tea and a coffee, and that's it. And I just want to show you the inside of this cake. You can see we've got the chocolate and we've got the vanilla, and that's all done. I'm going to be serving this cake with a cup of tea, and that's it, all done. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. I can see a lot of subscriptions. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe if you have not yet. Also, don't forget to like and comment. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys will stay tuned for my other recipes that are coming. If you have not seen my other recipes that are in my YouTube channel, don't forget to check them out. I have the famous anjero, I have some suqar, I have a delicious chicken recipe as well, and I've got a few healthy recipes coming your way. So thank you again, and see you next time.